It's bolted on now. Yeah, it is. Look at that. That's looking nice, nice, nice. You can actually see the Edelbrock on it. Nice. Alright, and look at this. It's right there. Oh, that is so smooth. Oh, yeah. See if we can get a better angle here. Right there. Yep. Alright, well, kind of to show you what's going on. Fuel line goes here. Distributor advance goes into this port right here. That way, when the engine is just idling or low RPMs, it's not pulling vacuum. So, and then right here is the electric choke. Right here. That's done. Let's see. Here's the... Yep, so right here's the brake. I've got to cut the line a little bit and shorten it. But yeah, here's the brake. And that one goes there. And then, oops. And here's the engine. PCV valve. Right there. And that one goes in the back. So there's a port back here for that. But yeah, carburetor's on. Waiting on some parts. PCV valve. Got to get a replacement disc. See that right there. Yep. But other than that, yeah, carburetor looks good. Looks real good. So, got some new bolts to bolt the carburetor down. So, let's see if I can find what they originally had the carburetor, how they originally had the carburetor. Let's see, where is it? Where's it at? Yep. So, these right here. So they had studs and bolts, and it just wasn't tightening the carburetor. Those right there. That's what it was originally bolted down with. Bad idea, that's not going to work. Anyway, there we go, carburetor is put together. Yeah. So, that looks pretty. That looks mighty pretty. I'm going to have to replace this. So this is, I'll have to replace this line. I need a little extra one. I had them change the angle because it was interfering with this. It was angled way down. So let me show you. This right here is the fuel inlet. And it was angled way down. It was interfering with the carburetor booster. This right here. So, yeah, there we go.